5 of the most impressive keto diet before and after pictures. If you're looking for dieting inspiration, it's hard to beat keto diet before and after pictures. These people show how amazing the popular ultra-low-carb, high-fat diet trend can be. Read their stories, get their advice, and take in their impressive photos. 1. Mary Alexander. Accountability is the key. In early 2016, Mary Alexander saw a photo of herself in a bathing suit, and decided something had to change. A few weeks later, she started the keto diet, an ultra-low-carb, high-fat diet that's becoming increasingly popular, partly because of the many keto diet before and after pictures. According to Harvard Health Publishing in 2017, the keto diet can accelerate weight loss and improve blood sugar. After 2 years, Alexander's lost 60 pounds with 10 to 15 more to go to reach her goal. The hardest part of keto was getting started, says Mary, a 54-year-old marketer from Rockwell, Texas. Bread and sweets had been my friends for years, so giving them up was really hard. She kept herself accountable with her Instagram account, at Keto Habits. She's gained more than 26,000 followers since she started her journey. I attribute all of my success to my account, as well as weekly weigh-ins. 2. Francisco Vega. I've never felt so good. Just 21 years old, Francisco Vega was nearly 100 pounds over his ideal weight. The welder from Modesto, CA tipped the scales at 295 pounds. Seeking a drastic change, he turned to the keto diet to reshape his body and his future. Vega dropped 75 pounds in just 6 months. Today, he's 35 pounds away from his goal of 185, and he's enjoying every delicious moment of it. The hardest part of it has been that I can't have too much fruit, he says. Fruit has become his favorite cheat meal, Vega says, but he's quick to note that the diet is not nearly as restrictive as people fear. Don't second-guess yourself, he says. The mental clarity and the energy and the super delicious food, combined with the hunger suppression, are enough to draw anyone in to try keto. 3. Suzanne Ryan. No memberships or big expense, just food. Like many yo-yo dieters, Suzanne Ryan had tried just about every eating style out there without finding long-term success. But the keto diet before and after pictures she found online caught her eye. When I stumbled upon keto, I was so impressed with the results people were getting. I was excited because it was a concept I hadn't tried before, says the 33-year-old behind the popular at Keto Carmesa's Instagram account. Within the first year of her keto experience, the San Francisco Bay Area mom, author, and blogger lost 100 pounds. She lost an additional 20 to reach her goal weight, and has been maintaining it for almost 2 years. Her cookbook, Simply Keto, offers the sound keto advice that worked for her. Don't overcomplicate things, and take it one day at a time, she says. Work on the emotional side of your eating habits, and invest in the process. 4. Chase Bowler. You will feel better and look better, even naked. Chase Bowler lost 75 pounds in his first 8 months on the keto diet. I felt better, looked better, and ate great, says the Public Relations and Business Development Director from Ottawa, Canada. Bowler's story is a lot like many weight loss stories. Things are okay for a while, but then they stop working. I have always been active, played sports twice a week, and was in the gym 3 times a week, he says. But I ate a ton of the wrong food and drank too much beer, which was filling my body with unnecessary carbohydrates that I didn't need. He adopted a keto diet, lots of butter, bacon, and steak, and the pounds just melted off. You do not know what great feels like until you try this lifestyle change, he says. You will wake up buzzing with energy, and you will feel incredible. It is the best thing I have ever done. 5. Sarah Pearson. Any diet that lets me eat cheese is fine by me. Sarah Pearson was at her wit's end after years of counting calories. She needed a solution that would help her lose weight and keep it off. Keto was like nothing I had ever heard of before and went against everything I had ever been taught, the 25-year-old Missouri chef says. It immediately struck my interest, and I was obsessed with learning as much as I possibly could about it. After all, I had nothing else to lose. But lose she did. In total, after 6 months, she's down 40 pounds on her way to 70. I love that I don't have to track my calories, says Pearson, who shares her journey at Keto. Intuitive eating has been a game changer. I never feel limited in what I can eat at all. If there is a non-keto meal I miss, I have been able to adapt it to be keto-friendly fairly easily, even holiday dinners. Like any diet, consult with a doctor before you begin, and you can start. If you're ready to make life changes, subscribe to the Good Life channel, and find out what you can do to improve your life. Thank you for coming this far with us. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already, and don't forget click the notification bell to alert you each time we post a new video. Bye for now.